In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Outlook you have fast. 2025 guide. Knowing your exact Outlook version helps you follow the right tutorials, check compatibility with add-ins, and share accurate details with IT support. Let's walk through it clearly and quickly. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Microsoft link so you're on a trusted Microsoft site. Sign in with your account as you normally would. This ensures you're accessing Outlook tied to your subscription and settings. If your organization uses additional verification, just complete that prompt and continue. If the browser opens Outlook on the web, that's fine for now. We primarily need to confirm your account before you check the version in the desktop app. Once Outlook is open, look for the File option in the top left corner of the Outlook window. This File tab appears in the classic desktop interface on Windows. If you don't see File anywhere, you're likely in Outlook on the web or using the new streamlined interface where the ribbon looks different. In that case, open the desktop Outlook app from your Start menu or Applications folder, then look again for File in the top left. On a Mac, you won't see a File tab with the same options. Instead, the equivalent path is using the top menu bar. The next step will make that clear. Now select About Outlook. In many Windows builds, About Outlook appears on the left side after you click File, sometimes under Office Account or Help, depending on your version. On a Mac, click Outlook in the top menu bar and choose About Outlook. If your layout looks slightly different, look for a link or button labeled About. It's consistently named, even if it's in a different spot. You'll now see your Microsoft Outlook version information. This screen typically lists the product name, such as Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise or Outlook 2021, followed by a version number and build number, and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. If you see wording like New Outlook, that indicates you're on the modern experience. Take note of the full version string. Grabbing a quick screenshot can be handy. If you're comparing guides or troubleshooting issues, match your version and build to the instructions you're following. When contacting support, sharing this version detail saves time and helps pinpoint solutions faster. If your build looks older, it's a good idea to plan an update later so you have the latest fixes and features. That's it. You searched for Outlook and signed in, clicked File, selected About Outlook, and read the version details. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your Outlook version anytime you need it.